I'm going to replace the rotors, pads, front, rear with the Power Stop track day kit. There's the right ones, baby. Track day pads. Not really sure why they sent me these. Yes, free brake pads. G17 ceramic. Hey. What's up, guys? Just a quick little update what we're doing to Lucy here. Got her up on jack stands. Gonna replace the rotors, pads, front, rear with the Power Stop track day kit. I'm not gonna go too in depth on how to install it or what to do. I'll just go step by step of my progress. If I run into any trouble or things that I might need to let you know, I will record that. Otherwise, replacing these, I know there's people that have a lot better videos on how to do it, more in depth, better cameras and angles, microphones, beavers, muskrats, things like that. So stay tuned, keep you guys updated. Up here we got the BMR lowering springs that we installed. Also we got the brake lines braided from Fast Performance. Did that when I did my first brake fluid change to the 600 rating. Thought I might as well do some brake lines as well while we're there. Got one wheel off. Start on the next. So back here we got BMR coils, the Fast Performance braided steel lines. There's the old rotors that we'll be taking off. 2 down, 2 more to go. Want to make sure we take that off while we back out the calipers, just for all the extra fluid that's going to be pushed back up. We don't want to create a vacuum or anything. Okay, got the stock pins back in and brackets. Whatever reason the brackets they came with just feel cheap, seem cheap, don't fit too right. Pins that they sent don't even make it all the way across. So just use the grease that was supplied, put the old pins back, new brackets, the brake pads. That all went well smoothly. Okay, got the front done. Now we're gonna do the back. And then as for the front, same thing that you do here. Just repeat on the other side. Like I said, I don't want to do all four or get too in depth on this. Just a quick little overview of the power stop brake kit for 6th gen Camaro. All right, one more to go. And then once I kind of do a final mock-up, I just kind of tighten everything by hand, and then I'll go around with my torque wrench, make sure all the caliper bolts are torqued. This guy's torqued. We'll go from there. All right, FYI guys, just got these torqued down back here. The rears, I put about 90 foot-pounds, and then for the fronts is 148 foot-pounds. Seems like a lot. It's kind of hard to get in there with the angle, but that's what they want. Rear's all done, torqued, ready to finish the other side and bleed the brakes. All right guys, just finished up the back. Again, same thing you do on this side, just repeat on the other.